We have these cavity backs on here. We call them scalloped, and then we have solid, okay? So which one's better? We get asked that by homeowners a lot. This one's cheaper. You're using actually less material. There's less, composite material inside there. So it's going to be a cheaper board. Drawbacks, I guess, is if you do it like a staircase and you have it sitting out like this, you can kind of see the profile. If you don't change the design of the stair to where you have another piece going this way or something like that, cut them in a miter so you can't see this. So that's a negative. A negative is I don't like the look of that. I don't want it hanging out on the side of my deck. I don't want to see that. Is it any less strong? To a degree, it probably is a little bit, but it's not any less strong for the use that you use it in. But this is a more economical product than the solid board just because it's using less material. The cover stock's the same on both of them in a lot of cases. So is this one a little bit more expensive? Yes, but does it look good when you go to the edges? It does look a little better. We do a lot of the scallop back product, but we do a lot of the solid core as well.